As you can see, we only have one piece of bread. We're having toast cooked, Leah, in charge of the camera. So you move it like if you can see me, okay? And as you can see, we have peanut butter, right? Okay. We're cooking toast, and now I'm in charge of the camera. And Leah, you have to go in front of the bread. This is Leah. She's in charge of the camera. But right now, I'm going to be in charge of the camera. My hair been growing longer. And I'll make you see the toast how burnt it is. And me and Leah are going to watch it pop. You know, watch my baby for crunch down. Yeah. As you can see it right now, but when I pop it back, it pops. Look how black it is. Maybe I go hello, this is my pizza bag. Do you like my pizza bag? Yeah. And I'm going to put peanut butter on it after Alena does that at her toast. So here's the peanut butter. Yeah, you're in charge of that. Can you see me? Or can you see that right over? No, not that. This. And that. This. As you can see, we have a really burnt piece of toast. I know. That's how I love my toast. So, Leah, you're in charge of the toast now. Hello. This toast is fond, I know. Move. This is burnt, and you can see that this isn't. This is just a normal piece of bread. That certainly is not a normal piece of bread. Look at this, and look at that. Look at this, look at that. What do you think the difference is? Okay. Ready, guys? Yeah. I ain't gonna kill you guys, just... I'm kidding. I know, you're better than the name for the peanut butter, right? Yep. And some people will say, ew, peanut butter. But I love peanut butter. So I actually eat toast. Hey, want me to show you my nail polish? Yeah. No. I always showed one. No. See that? It doesn't look yum. Not all. Really, that's no. No. How come you guys don't like peanut butter? Because it looks weird and it looks like poop. Okay, so what's weird? It looks like poop. It does look like poop, you guys, but it tastes nothing like poop. Yeah. And Lacy say poop. We know, but we just see through what's like poop to everybody what's like poop. And we'll show you that you sit down. Hello. Oh man, I have to get it right. Hello, guys. How are you today? We're doing really good, Leah. Well, do you like the peanut butter? We don't even know what it looks like yet. Well, I know no peanut butter looks like poop. That's definitely because no one really and my name is Leah. Now, Leah, what's your favorite color? Purple. And pink? Leah's in charge of the camera, but I have to help her. Thanks. Daddy!
What?
Are you guys ready to see the peanut butter on the sandwiches? Yes! This is the ew! Say that again. Ew! This is the burnt toast. Yummy! No, Come on. Ew. And this is a white coat. What? Let's say poop pee. Pee. Say I went poopy. Pee pee. You know, we're not how peanut butter looking like poop. We're gonna fold it. It does look like poop, doesn't it? Mm-hmm. Folded it. Just fold it. We don't fold the soap, right? And see you later, y'all. Leah, say see you later. See you later. Bye. And then say bye.